Hello Wobblies, welcome to Wobbly Otter Outdoors. I'm Chris, and in this episode we're taking a look at the fire pit by Lifedoo. Lifedoo contacted us and asked us if we wanted to review their fire pit. We said yes, and here it is. It's a real straightforward design. It's made of steel panels. There's 4 of them. It's an amazingly simplistic design. There are 2 steel plates that are 18 inches wide by 11 inches high. Each of the steel plates has a handle in the top. The 2 larger steel plates that are 18 inches wide have a slot in each side at the bottom. The 2 panels that make up the sides have little slots in the top of them. Each of the side panels is 11 inches wide by 11 inches high. Each steel panel is 3 millimeters thick, which is just under 1/8 of an inch. When the fire pit is put together, it is 12 inches high. The only trouble we had when we received it is that one of the tabs on one of the large panels was bent to the inside, and that wasn't any trouble to adjust with a screwdriver and pry it back out into shape. Watch your nose. Watch your nose. We like it. It's a nice size, very packable little fire pit. And while it packs down really flat and doesn't take up much space, it is heavy duty. And the thick steel radiates the heat nicely. It is nice. It does radiate.
Pretty evenly.
Yes. That's cool. Lifedoo calls this product a stove. It doesn't come with a grate or a grill, though it is easy enough to find ways to cook over it with things you may already have. There's an open slit at the bottom of the fire pit where ash and embers can slip out. We purchased a metal tray to place underneath the fire pit to catch the ash and the embers.
Well, the theory is that it has all the air comes in through that one slot in the bottom. So that's where the oxygen is. So that's going to be the hottest part of the fire. Slanted, everything's pointed towards that slot, so it's kind of a self-feeding fire.
We expect to get a lot of use out of this little fire pit and appreciate Lifedoo for sending it to us. Product links are in the description below, as well as a link to our Amazon influencer store. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching Wobbly Otter. We love you and hope all your tomorrows are bright. Until next time.